Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hi, and if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Rizzy and I create beauty related content and makeup related videos. If you would like to see more of me, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you stick till the end of this video, please do not forget to like this video. Now without further ado, let's get on with this video. So guys, today I created this pumpkin spice look just in time for the fall makeup. You can wear it in a party or you can wear it in your Halloween costume, probably dressed up like a pumpkin. If you would like to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Also a disclaimer, in this video I haven't used all the drugstore products, so there are some high-end products as well. For example, I used this palette to create the eye look.
This is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and this palette is not available in India, so you'll have to buy it online.
Now that all the information has been provided, let's get on with the video and create this look.
I'm starting my skin preparation by using the Dot & Key Skin Essential Night Serum. This step will moisturize my skin and make it soft and supple for a smooth makeup application. For my primer, I decided to go with the L'Oreal Base Magique, as this primer will smoothen out my skin and is really good to reduce the appearance of pores. For some extra glowy skin, I have introduced the Audrey Flame Very Me Peach Skin Glow. This product works just like a dewy primer before your foundation. I'm using my foundation brush to apply it all over my skin, and I took just a little more for that extra spicy glow into my makeup routine. Next up is my favorite corrector of all time, Bolly Glow Selfie Ready Conceal and Correct Duo in shade Masala, and I cannot emphasize more on this step. This is extremely necessary if you have dark circles like me and do not want the concealer to look gray. I'm using my fingers to merge it into the skin and smoothen it out. To counterbalance the orange tone of the corrector, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Beige. For my base, I'm using a mixture of Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and my Cosmetics Strobe Cream in Pink Light, and I'm mixing it with my fingers. I recommend to use your fingers to warm up the foundation before applying. If you experience cakey foundation, then the reason behind it is that the foundation is not warmed up properly before application, because the oils present in foundation are not properly mixed. That is why it seems to be cakey and patchy and not up to the mark. So that is why I always mix my foundation and warm it up with my fingers before application. I use a puffing brush to merge the foundation into my skin, and I really take my time in blending my foundation into my skin. I think this is the most time taking process of my entire makeup application, but once you are done with it, it's gonna make your skin look beautiful. Next up, for my concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This concealer is really heavy duty, and I'm using the applicator to highlight the center of my face. I'm using the same Bolly Glow Conceal and Correct Duo in the shade Cocoa to contour my face, and I will use a dense buffing brush to merge everything together. did my brows off camera, and to set my base makeup I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is in the shade light, and I'm shaking it so well so that powder comes out into the lid, and I will take a beauty blender to apply it on all the areas where we have highlighted. Next up, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade Sand Sable, and I'm applying it on my lids to provide a smooth canvas for eyeshadow application. I really recommend this step to do if you are playing with nice colorful eyeshadows. This just provides a clean canvas to start your eyeshadow application, and the eyeshadows pop up even more. I'm using the warm brown shade available in the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm putting it just above my natural crease, as you can see. And I'm not trying to merge the eyeshadow as of now. I'm just trying to pack the eyeshadow onto the crease area, shaping it into a V on the outside of the eyes, and I will also take it to the inner corner as well, and I'm just trying to pack as much as possible right now. Next up, I took a comparatively fluffy brush to put an orange eyeshadow and merging all the edges of the brown eyeshadow with the orange one, and I'm making a to and fro motion so that all the orange eyeshadow is merged into the brown eyeshadow. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just trying to merge the brown shadow. Next, I'm taking the yellow eyeshadow and merging it with the just above the orange eyeshadow and trying to diffuse the edges of the orange eyeshadow. Here I am cutting the crease over the center of my lid, and I'm not doing it very carefully. I'm just being messy about it because we are anyways going to apply shimmer shadow on there. So I'm just trying to put a spotlight over the lid. This is a kind of look that we are going for. Next, I took the Nykaa Sundown Stunner eyeshadow palette and taking this bronze brown shimmer shade, I am putting it where my concealer meets the brown eyeshadow just to diffuse it nicely. Now I'm replicating the same look on the other eye, and I'm taking a fluffy brush to brush off the excess of the powder that we applied. I'm taking the Sugar Contour bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder and putting it below my cheekbones just to highlight my cheekbones even more, and I'm putting it wherever we have contoured our face. This bronzer will give it a warm glowy look. To merge everything together, I'm taking a very fluffy brush, very big brush, and merging everything together. This step is very crucial if you have applied a lot of base products. It just kind of finishes things off and tries to merge all the components together. I've put on a Pro Art eyelashes. These are in the variant PR003. I'm applying a L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara onto my lower lash lines, and my eye makeup is completed. Next up, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution brush Rerotate. This is in the shade Love is Stuck, and I'm putting it on my cheeks over here. I was not quite happy with the color story we have here of the blush, because this blush seems to be very pink, otherwise my eyes are very orangish and yellowish. So I took the orange and yellow eyeshadow from the same palette and I'm putting it on my cheeks, and I'm being very light-handed with it. I'm dusting off the excess and then applying, because we do not want proper streak of orange. We only want a little tune of orange going on. Next, I'm using the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip pencil. This is in the shade Chocolate Boy. This is a beautiful chocolate brown nude shade, and I'm lining my lips with it. For my lipstick, I was a bit confused. I didn't know which lipstick to use, so I'm gonna show both the lipsticks that I decided. The first one is the Nelf Miami stick. This is in the shade Shy, and the other one is the Nykaa mini matte lipstick. This is in the shade Bombay, and then I decided to go with the Nelf Shy lipstick shade, and it is a beautiful caramelly chocolate warm brown shade, and I was very happy with the way it looks with this eye look.
That is all for this video. I hope you really enjoyed creating this look, and if you do create a replica of this look or even a version, your own version of this look, please do not forget to tag me on my Instagram account. The handle is written over here, and also please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate the help if you could forward this video to your friends and family and your makeup buddies so that they can also create such a beautiful pumpkin spice look. Like this video, please do not forget to subscribe on my channel. My most popular upload is over here and my recent upload is over here. Bye.